I like to talk about Phú Quốc Island, which I visited, with my family members a few years ago during a summer holiday. When people think about Phú Quốc, they usually think about its beautiful beaches, but what I remember most is the marine life. The sea was absolutely clear, much clearer than anywhere I've ever seen before. In fact, the water was just so transparent that I could see the seabed, quite easily. I can't actually swim, so I stay in the shallow water and put on a pair of, goggles. Even though I wasn't very far from the shore, I could still see some amazing sea creatures. I remember spotting several starfish lying on the seabed, and there were lots of colorful tropical fish swimming around them. Some of them were bright colors like yellow or blue, and some of them, had quite silvery, sparkly scales and reflected in the sunlight, and just watching them swim through the water was just absolutely beautiful. What made the experience even more special was that I'd never really seen them in their natural habitat before. I had only seen them in documentaries or online, so seeing them with my own eyes felt quite magical. Although I wasn't able to go snorkeling or dive, obviously, because I can't swim, just simply putting on my goggles allowed me to enjoy a glimpse of the underwater world. Looking back, that's probably one of my best travel memories. It just made me realize how beautiful marine life is, and if I ever go back to Phú Quốc again, I would absolutely love to spend more time exploring the sea and hopefully learn to swim next time so I can see even more.